Welcome. This is Noble, and you are at Noble Transformation Hub YouTube channel. So we will go through cybernetics and brain stimulation. This is the simulation program. We will understand this concept. In 1940 and 1950, a number of researchers explored the connections between neural biology, information theory, and cybernetics. Okay, 1960, this approach was largely abandoned, although elements of it would be revival in 1980s. Okay, this is brief about cybernetics and brain simulation. And now we'll go to the other section, which is symbolic. Symbolic is when access to digital computer became possible in mid 1950. AI researchers bang to explore the possibility of human intelligence could reduce symbol manipulation. The research was centered at three institutions: Carnegie Mellon University, Stanford, MIT, as described below, each of developing its own style research. John Huggeland named these symbolic approaches to AI good old-fashioned AI for GOLFAI. Okay, during the 1960s, symbol of approaches had achieved greater success at stimulating high-level thinking in small demonstrated programs, and by 1980s it achieved greater success with the expert systems. Okay, approaches based on cybernetics and artificial neural networks were abundant to push into the background. Researchers in 1960 and 1970 were convinced that symbolic approaches would eventually succeed in creating machines with artificial general intelligence, and consider this the goal of their field. So this is like brief history about symbolic, how it comes into existence in AI. So thank you so much. Kindly subscribe the YouTube channel if you have not, and write down in the comment section what have you learned, how you are going to implement it, and if you want to learn more, write down in the comment section. If you have any questions, you can write also. Thank you so much.